Chloe, what is it? 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 Are you glad Craig was calling this morning? What is it? Are you posing for Daddy? 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 Yes. What you doing? What is it? What you doing? Are you happy to be alive this morning? Are you happy to be alive this morning? Yeah. She's like, Daddy, what are you doing? Like, Daddy, what are you doing? She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's posing for you. Okay.